Hi, today we're going to be sharing with you these top value paper cups. They are 3 ounces each and they're 600 in the box. Let's see a couple good uses.
Snack time!
Yay! Cool snack time!
Yay!
These cups are great for small snacks for kids. Little portions for little people.
Whether you're gargling with some mouthwash or taking a sip of water after brushing your teeth or making snacks for the kids, this set of top value paper cups is perfect. Thanks for listening and watching our video. If you like what you see, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.